Hello and welcome to PowerPoint Designer. In this tutorial, we will see a new timeline slide only on just PowerPoint 2016. To make this slide, you will need to select a new blank slide, then select a rectangular shape, place it here and change its color. I will use this layout for this animated slide. Change this outline to black. We will resize it. The height of this rectangular shape will be 2.17 and the width will be 2.42. Then place it over here, then select this rectangular shape, select Ctrl plus D to make a duplicate, place over the previous rectangular shape, change its color, this color, then make another duplicate of this rectangular shape, change this color to another color and make the last one. Select this last color. Select all the rectangular shape, place it here. Now select a rectangular shape with rounded corner. And send it to back. Change this outline black and make fill this rectangular shape with this black color. Now select this rectangular shape, make a shape of white color, place it over the rounded rectangular shape. Now select a triangle shape, resize it, change its height and change its width. Now change this outline to black color and fill it to this second color. Now rotate this triangular shape, zoom it and place below the rectangular shape. Make a duplicate of this triangular shape and fill it to the black color and place over the big triangular shape. So the pencil has been ready. Now we will select this white shape and rounded rectangular shape, make the group and place it to the back of all the rectangular shape. So we have 6 shapes. Now we'll make the text of this slide. Select a rectangular shape, fill it with no color, make individual text for this is rectangular shape. Make it more smaller than the previous. Select this, select another rectangular shape for the headlines of the titles. Make it no fill and make it no outline. So we'll use this dummy text. Make it increase in the left. Place it below the title shape. Select this both shape, make it group and place exactly beside the blue color. Now select this shape, make another duplicate and change the title color to the rectangular shape's color. Make another duplicate of this, change this text color, make another duplicate of this text and place over the all the text shapes. Change this color to this rectangular shapes color. Now we'll move to the animation side. Go to animation pane, resize this triangular shape. So select this triangular shape, we'll use this float in from below to top, bottom to top. Make it after previous, then select this rectangular shape and select float in from up to down. Make it after previous. Whenever the rectangular shape comes from up to down, this title shape will come from down to top. So we'll select float in, make it after previous. Similarly, we'll use this animation to this rectangular shape, this title shape, this rectangular shape, and this title shape. So we have completed the 4 animations for this rectangular shape, this and this and this one. So we'll use this rectangular shape and it will move from top to bottom. Select this animation and go to effect option, make it bounce end. Select this after previous. Now have a check on this animated. Now have a check on these animations. So the animations has been ready. Now we will use a circle shape for making a shadow. Place it below the pencil shape. Go to format shape, change its color, increase its transparency, make it no outline. Go to glow option, increase the shape's transparency to 90%. So the shadow has been ready. This shadow will come from bottom to top. Let's see the animation. So here is the animated slide on Windows PowerPoint 2016. Hope you will like this video and comment about this animated slide. Thank you.